Hello children, we are going to continue with the question answers for the poem Sea Song. Okay, first of all I will tell you that you all have made very beautiful drawings for the poem Sea Song. So now let's continue with the question answer part. Question number 1 is, where did the child find the sea shell? Okay, I will repeat the question. Where did the child find the seashell? It is very easy to find the answers from the poem. You can try to find, but I will tell you the answer here. Okay, you also have to try to find the answer from the poem. The answer is, the child found the seashell on the sand. Okay, where did the child find the seashell? The child found the seashell on the sand. Here I will tell you one thing, like as when in the question did is there and the find is there. Okay, so whenever we write the answer for these questions, what we have to do, we also have to write the answer in the past form. So what will be the past form of find? The find will be convert when it is past, it will be found. Okay, got it everyone? This is very easy question. Where did the child find the seashell? Answer is, the child found the seashell on the sand. Question number 2, what did the child do with the shell? What did the child do with the shell? Answer is, the child picked the shell and took it home. Okay. Question number 3, what did the child hear? What did the child hear when his mother held the shell at his ear? What did the child hear? Yes, did you read the poem carefully? Then you can tell this answer. The answer is, the child heard a soft, sweet and clear song from the shell. Okay, I will repeat the answer. The child heard a soft, sweet and clear song from the shell. Okay, this is for notebook. Let's continue the textbook activities. Pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. In this box, there are rhyming words. You have to choose the correct rhyming words which will match each other, that you have to write in these blank spaces. Okay, first has been done for you, like as found. What is this word? Found. And what will be the rhyming word of the found? You have to find the correct word from this given box, and the word will be sound. Okay, this example has been given here. Next I will help you. Next is cold. Let's write cold here. Now can you tell me which is the rhyming word of the cold? Yes, bold. Okay, got it? Bold. The next words you have to complete. Okay, second question is, fill in the blanks with the opposite word choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. In this box there are so many words and you have to choose the words given are here. Some words are given here. You have to choose the opposite word. Okay, in this question we have chosen the rhyming word. For this question we have to choose the opposite word. Example is found, lost. Hard. What will be the opposite of hard? Soft. Let's write here. Soft. Next is inside. Opposite word will be outside. Next you have to write here. Okay. Took. For the took word, what will be the word? Opposite word, gave. Big, small. Came, went. Next is pick. For the pick word, drop. Cold, hot. True, false. Curly, straight. Sweet, bitter. Tall, short. Okay, this is how you have to complete these opposite words. Next is, let's sing. Write and sing. The sea is big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. Okay? Do you understand this poem? Read it carefully, and according to this poem, you have to choose the correct word from the given brackets and write here. If you will read this poem carefully, then you can find this answer easily. First, I will show you. The sea is very, very. The option is big and far. You have to choose the correct option. For this, what you have to do? You have to read the poem carefully. You can find the answer very easily. The sea is big. It is very, very big. So the answer will be big. Okay? Same as for these three. Read this question. Read the poem carefully. Choose the correct word from the bracket and write it here. Now this is the funny lines. So you have to tell this. Try to tell this. I will show you how to read this. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. Okay? Can you try? Yes, let's repeat. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. Now what you have to do? You have to read these two lines. Make a short video of reading these two lines very properly. Okay? Read the following. Silence. You can see the picture here. On these branches, birds are. You can see some birds. This is bee. Silence. Birds sing. Phones ring. People talk. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush. Okay, these are some sounds of these things like as birds, phones, people, dogs, cows, cocks, bees and children. How do they sound? Here are the particular words for that. Now you have to match the phrases with the picture. One has been done here. A bird singing. Next I will show you. A cow mooing. Where is the cow in this picture? Yes, this is cow. Next you have to do a phone ringing, a dog barking, a cock crowing. Okay, you have to match it with the correct picture. That's it for today. Thank you.